Have you ever driven a car and wondered how it just goes? You press the gas, it moves faster. You let off, it slows down. No clutch, no shifting gears yourself. It all feels so smooth and effortless. Well, today we re-diving deep into the magic box that makes it all happen. The automatic transmission. Get ready to have your mind blown by some seriously cool engineering. So, what's the big secret? It all starts with something called the torque converter. Forget the clutch pedal you find in a manual car. The torque converter is a fluid-filled coupling that sits between your engine and the transmission. Think of it like two fans facing each other. When one fan spins, that's your engine. The air it pushes makes the other fan spin. In a torque converter, it's not air, but a special transmission fluid doing the work. This fluid connection is what allows your engine to keep running, even when your car is stopped at a red light, without stalling. It's also what gives you that smooth, gentle start when you press the accelerator. Now, let's talk about the gears. Inside that transmission case is an incredible piece of mechanical art called a planetary gear set. The name sounds like it's from outer space, and honestly, it's just as cool. Imagine a central sun gear, surrounded by several planet gears, which are all held inside a larger ring gear. By cleverly locking or releasing different parts of this set, the sun, the planets, or the ring, the transmission can create all the different gear ratios your car needs. A low gear ratio gives you lots of power to get moving from a stop, while a high gear ratio lets you cruise efficiently at highway speeds. So how does the car know when to shift? This is where the brains of the operation come in. The valve body. Think of it as the transmission's hydraulic nervous system. It has a maze of channels and valves that direct high-pressure fluid to different parts of the transmission. In older cars, this was all done mechanically, using things like governors and vacuum modulators that sensed vehicle speed and engine load. But in modern cars, it's a computer, the Transmission Control Module, or TCM, that calls the shots. This computer takes in data from sensors all over your car: how fast you're going, how hard you're pressing the gas, whether you're going uphill, and uses that information to decide the perfect moment to shift gears. The TCM then sends electrical signals to solenoids, which are little electromagnets that open and close valves in the valve body. This directs the fluid to engage or disengage clutches and bands. These clutches and bands are what actually lock the different parts of the planetary gear set I mentioned earlier. So, when the computer decides it's time to shift from first to second gear, it activates a specific switch, which sends fluid to release the first gear clutch and engage the second gear clutch. It happens in a fraction of a second, so smoothly you might not even feel it. And that's the basic rundown. From the fluid magic of the torque converter to the beautiful dance of the planetary gears, all orchestrated by a smart computer and a hydraulic valve body. It's a complex system, but it's designed to make your driving experience as simple and comfortable as possible. The next time you're cruising down the road, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering working silently beneath you. It's a true marvel of mechanics and electronics working in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into car tech, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you in the next one.